Hello, neighbors and friends here in Pasadena and the San Gabriel Valley in the greater Los Angeles area in general. I'm going to give you a really quick real estate market update for the month of February and some predictions into the rest of the year 2026. Before I start, just a quick reminder, my name is Ibrahim. I lead a team of realtors here in Pasadena and the surrounding areas. We are called Team Ibrahim, and we are grateful to have 200 or more 5-star reviews from our past clients, which you can find on all the public portals. And so please reach out to us using our information below in the description. We'd be more than happy to help you, whether it comes to deciding whether you want to buy or sell a home in the near future. We don't have any high pressure sales tactics. We like to educate and inform so that you can make a proper decision that's right for you and your family. So let's jump into some of the data real quick. The beginning of the year typically has higher listings, new listings hitting the market. So that trend is continuing. I'm seeing new listings hitting the market in January, higher number of active listings. Now the data can sometimes be skewed with the next few data points that I'm about to explain to you, because, for example, days on market still shows stubbornly high, which is a delayed indicator because a property that was listed in December that may not have had a lot of activity because all the buyers were busy with their holiday plans may be pending or in escrow right now for 30 days or 40 days before it actually closes, before those data points actually start to turn around and come down, showing the speed. However, we do have some other indications that there have been twice as many pendings this month than there were last month in Pasadena and the surrounding San Gabriel areas, especially the desirable neighborhoods: Pasadena, Sierra Madre, Arcadia, La Crescenta, La Cañada, Altadena in some cases, depending on where you are. But the point is that the data can be delayed 30 days sometimes. And we are seeing the same thing with price per square foot is one of my favorite indicators, because that shows you how much people are willing to pay on a per square foot basis. So that's real demand, meaning if 1,000 square foot house sold for $1 million, that's $1,000 per square foot. I'm just using easy numbers here. If it sold for $1,000 a square foot last month, and this month it sells for $1,100 per square foot, that means people are willing to pay more for the same house. That's a great indicator of demand. And so right now the price per square foot graph is still below where it was last month, and that's because all the pending sales from this month are not yet closed. They won't close most likely until next month. And so I believe you will see what is typical, an uptick in the price per square foot, which indicates an uptick in the demand in next month's data. So please check back with me here. This video will be posted. I usually post this video once a month. So check back with me here next month, and I will confirm or deny if I'm wrong next month whether that theory holds true. So check back with me. And if you've been following along previously, you probably already know this, because I share with you often that there is some cyclicality in the real estate market, especially as it gets softer towards the end of the year and stronger in the beginning of the year. So that's price per square foot. Check back with you next month, and I will validate whether that actually came true or not. Now, why do I think that the price per square foot and the demand is increasing right now? There's a couple reasons. Number one, the stock market is at an all-time high. Number two, many homeowners, 4,500 properties that were gone in Altadena, many more in the Palisades. Many of those property owners have rented for 1 year, from last January until this year. And now they have finally settled their insurance claims. They have money burning a hole in their pocket, and they're deciding between rebuilding or buying a new home. So we have that wave of buyers. And now the third thing, interest rates. Interest rates are about 1% lower than they were last year. So that's a huge benefit to anyone who was on the sidelines last year hoping to buy. Now they can save 1% on their mortgage, which is a big number. I mean, that's a great thing to save. So refinances should be upticking, and also buyers should be getting back into the market. So if you're a buyer in today's market, we do have a few programs that can help you. We definitely have a lot of expertise. We do have a bunch of properties that are off market. Depending on your situation, we're more than happy to share those with you. So please let me know using my contact in the description, and I'd be happy to share with you some of those opportunities. Those are especially good for people who are all cash or savvy buyers looking for a property and don't mind doing some extra work. Those are the majority of the off-market opportunities. And then those who are thinking of selling, please reach out to me as soon as possible so I can give you a full market analysis for your particular property and a custom marketing strategy. As I mentioned, no sales pitch, just education. This is what I would do for you if you wanted to sell. This is what the market will look like for the rest of the year. These are the best times to consider listing and going live. These are the steps that you should consider doing before you go live. And this is how long they might take so that you can make an educated decision before it comes time to hit the market. Marcus Ibrahim, Team Ibrahim, please let me know. We do work in the whole San Gabriel Valley and around Greater Los Angeles. We'd be more than happy to hear from you. God bless you.